Alright, today's project is what we got going on. Big boy, 3-phase, 480 volt, 15 kW, wall mount electric cabinet unit heater. It's gonna warm up this space nicely. Gonna throw it up there on the ceiling. I'm gonna put a disconnect right down there below it for disconnecting means, and then a thermostat over there on that wall. This is the area where most of the draft actually comes in, so should work out pretty good. See how the day goes. All right, let's see how we did. Electric cabinet unit heater, all wired up. Here's a 480 volt panel that this thing goes into. 30 amp breaker. Thing draws about 18 amps, so we're on a 30, 125% plus a little bit. Cabinet unit heater, chemical room. This place, we follow suit. They want MC cable, we do MC cable. It's what the customer wants. A lot of people are like, ah, gross MC. Listen, it's not always pipe and sunshine, boys. You gotta do MC when they want the price for MC. Ran across the purlins, through the place, all the way out. Travels about 150 foot run total. I'm up here, I go through. 4 11/16 box right up there. MC into the top of that 4 11/16. 3/4 inch down. My line and load in the same conduit. Back up and over, down to the electric cabinet unit heater. I got that nice flex coil on there because that way they can spin this if we need to. I like to have the play on that. Changeover fitting on the back right there. Let's get close. Changeover, not a rigid coupling, 3-piece fitting, actual changeover. Thermostat wire right there, that goes up and over and down this 1/2 inch conduit. We've gone up in about 35 minutes. The room's raised. I think I started at 46 degrees. So we're raising temperatures. That 1/2 inch goes up there, low voltage down and around. Like usual, we're nice and labeled. This is temporary. I'll get a phenolic label on this. 480 volt inside. This is THHN going out. This was the MC cable. We pushed it through the conduit so I can re-identify that with the yellow. It's not the fanciest looking yellow re-identified. And we got our ground down there. Nice square D visible.